Hey guys, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys OnePlus 13R camera test after 5 months. By the way, I am already making this smartphone long time full review and also gaming review. Video link also available in the video description and the I button, check it out. Now let's talk about the camera sensor. The phone comes with a triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom and 8 megapixel ultra wide and 16 megapixel selfie camera. So first of all talk about the video quality. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 4K 60 fps video and you also record 1080p 30, 60, 120 fps and 240 fps slow-mo video with EIS and OIS. Now I am recording 4K 60 fps, so let me know in the comment what you think about the smartphone video quality. Now talk about the picture quality. The 50 megapixel main sensor still hold up very well, photos are very sharp and dynamic range are still solid. All the image color correction and sharpness are very good, and as you can see that we are taking a awesome picture with OnePlus 13R. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the OnePlus 13R day picture. And this is 8 megapixel ultra wide picture quality. Yeah, the ultra wide picture quality not as much as good like a main camera but is decent. Color correction are okay and details are very decent. Now let's talk about the portrait pictures. You can get two options, 1x and 2x. Always try to click a photo, add a 2x portrait so you can get a better photo. OnePlus 13R click a very good portrait, and as you can see that we are also get a very good portrait in a daylight. Color are so accurate and dynamic range are still solid. Overall the picture quality are excellent. Overall I like this smartphone portrait mode. Now let's talk about the night photography. Night photography experience are decent. If you have a good lighting condition, you can take a excellent picture. Like this, all the image color are so accurate and also very detailsful. So let me know in the comment what do you think about this smartphone night photography. But if you already using OnePlus 13R, so let me know in the comment your user experience. Overall my user experience are good. So that's all about our video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.